Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zencastr for clean audio capture for edits, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.zencastr.com and press enter. Once the Zencastr homepage loads, look for the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After filling in your details, click Create Account. Next, check your email inbox for a verification email from Zencastr. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will take you back to the Zencastr website. Now, log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the pricing section found in the main menu. Here, you will see different subscription plans available for Zencastr. Review each plan and its features carefully. Choose the plan that best suits your audio capture needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Select Plan button. You will now be directed to a payment page. Enter your payment information as requested. Make sure to double-check your details for accuracy. After processing your payment, you will receive a confirmation of your subscription. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. Start creating your audio recordings with professional quality clarity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.